Hey, how's it going, and welcome to my very next video. So in this video I'll be talking about the select statement. So it's time to do some real practice and do your hands dirty with SQL statements. So anyway, during our previous video we discussed about the prerequisites, requirements, installation, and setup. So now let's get into SQL select statement. Well, the SQL select statement, as you might be wondering, it returns a result set of records, from one or more tables. While SQL can be used to create and modify databases, the focus of this course will also be like querying databases. So a query is a request for a data from a database table, or I would say a combination of tables. And querying is an essential skill for a data scientist, for a data analyst, for a business analyst, since the data you need for your analysis will often live in the database. So now let's explore something called tables. As you may have no idea, most probably. And as you can see, I have my DVD rental database and I have my tables just down here. And I have like 15 tables, and all my data of related, related contents is existed in each table. Like I have actor, address, category, and like staff and store, and these kind of tables. And each table will have columns and rows, and each column and rows will have their own data, which will be used for your own purpose. I won't say a different purpose, but your own purpose. However you want to use it, just use it. So anyway, so let's do a simple query for now. I would explore the actor table first. I would just right click and hit query tool, and then I will just bring this down so that you can see. So this is the query tool. You can write your query. Very simple, very easy. No other rocket science and stuff. So let's say in SQL you can also do multiple things with select statement. You can either select everything from an actor. So now I will also tell you what is this keywords. So in this query, the select and from are called keywords. In SQL, keywords are not case sensitive, which means you can write it the same query like this. Let's say select all from actor. All right, I mean you can capitalize these keywords as well. Why why so many people using different sort of queries? The format. Well, they all do the same thing, but because you capitalize it, sometimes is because it would look a little bit organized and clean. But it is a good practice to make SQL queries. The keywords that I told you, uppercase, to distinguish them from other parts of your query, like column and table name. So this is the table name here. And what does the star mean, you may be wondering? So this little star means that select everything from actor. And after some minutes, or maybe in the next video, I'll be talking also about how to select multiple columns. And now when I selected this actor table, I will just delete, or I would say let's make it here, bring it here on the top. And as you can see, each of these columns that you see is a data here. We've got actor ID, which is always a unique ID. All right, and then we have first name, last name, and there's another column, last update. So each column has their own data. you can explore the way you want now. So let's say I just want to grab the first names of this table. So I grabbed all the data. As you can see, I will just comment this, control and backslash will comment out the query for you. So I will just want to grab the first name, select first underscore name from actor, and then F5. You can also run it from here, and you can see I have the first name here of all the actor table. So select first name from actor. So this is the first name, all right, from actor table. Select first name from actor. That's very easy. So I mean, select statements again, like, is one of the most famous SQL queries. I mean, you can use it for different purposes. For, I mean, retrieving your data the way you want. This is just a simple query, however, but when we move on, we will be facing with several other queries that we'll be using along the way. But anyway, so you can also let's say I'm not going with the actor table this time. Let's see something from the customer table. All right, now it says select everything from customer, F5, and then there you go. So customer ID, store ID, first name, last name, email ID, sorry, address ID, my bad, and active boolean or whatever it is, create date, last update, and stuff. So these are all the columns that I have. So this is column and this is gonna be the row. And again, you can like, let's say I just want to grab the email of these guys. I mean, from customer table. I would just select email from customer, and very easy. That's it. You can see the email here. And this is just a very beginning, I would say, beginner level query. But when we are, but again, when we are moving forward, we will be doing some mid-level and then advanced queries. And that's it. This is all about the select statement, and as you can see, this is very easy. So you can also explore other tables, other rows, or I would say other columns as you wish to. Let's say you can just work with the film table, you can work with the country table, with the city table, or whatever you want. So just move on with that and have fun. Have a good day.